Hello students, good morning. Welcome to Company Law and Administration class. I am Professor Namrata Hampiholi from Department of Commerce and Accountancy. So coming to the last part of the fourth unit, that is of the meetings. Here we are going to see about the duties of secretaries during the meetings. Here the meetings are the duties of secretaries are classified before meeting, during the meeting and after the meeting. What is the work of secretary or the secretarial duties during the meetings, that is before and after and during the meeting? So let us see the duties one by one according to the meetings. So here the duties of secretaries during the AGM, that is annual general meeting. So before the meeting, what is the duty? Their duty is here to arrange and submit the final accounts, that is whatever statements are required, that is balance sheet, profit and loss, and that should be duly signed by the respective members, that should be made available. Then to take out the auditor's report, that is audited reports of which is audited by the auditors, that report should be kept here. Then to prepare a draft to the director. So here report in consultation with the chairman and provisional statement for disposal of the profit should be kept in front of the directors. Then to arrange the board meeting here. So his work is to arrange the board meeting. Here in arrangement of the board meeting in consultation with the chairman, to consider the following businesses here, that is to adopt the balance sheet and profits and loss account. Then here to fix the date, time and place for the meeting and the annual general meeting, and to approve the notice of meeting, and authorize the secretary to arrange for the printing and electronic mode of notice and relevant documents, and to obtain the sanction of the board to the proposal to be considered and passed in annual general meetings, and to consider any changes here, and to authorize the secretary to close the register of the members and transfer the book to prepare the dividend and dividend warrants, and here to authorize the secretary to open a separate dividend bank account in a bank. Then after these were all arranged, all are the arrangement which are required during the board meeting. Then to decide about the minute proceedings, here that is to whether the report of proceedings at the general meeting is to be published or to send to the electronic media, that is decided here. Then the notification is sent to the stock exchange in case of the security quoted. Then next here is to arrange for the printing of the notice, that is to arrange the printing of the notice, that is profit and loss account, balance sheet, director reports. Then form of proxy, admission card, dividends and dividend warrants and auditor's duty, etc. are made arrangement for the printing. Then next is to send the notice, that is to send a notice of the annual general meeting along with the relevant documents, then directors and auditors in a printed form, that is at least 25 days before the annual general meeting, so that the notice will reach the members in time. And to scrutiny the proxy, so here proxy is the member who in the absence of certain members, so received as per the register, they have to check out the proxy and the list of valid proxy and to sign the register of the proxy, and to keep the certain documents ready. So here document means here attendance book, that is that will be signed by the shareholders, then the register of members and index number, then specimen of signature card, minute book, then proxy register, register of the directors, then register of the contractors, then memorandum of articles, memorandum and articles of association, then the copies of director reports and the annual account, agenda and chairman's speech. So these all are the documents which are to be kept ready. Then voting cards, So your voting card is a poll which is expected, that is the rights which has to be excised. Then a copy of the Companies Act which is amended up to the date, that is any changes in the company's law, then that is in case of any changes which has been amended has to be kept. Then here secretarial work at the meeting. So during the meeting, to arrange for the collection of the admission card, that is how many are present at the door or the meeting hall, so that no unauthorized person will enter into the meeting hall here. And to help the chairman in ascertaining the quorum present, so here quorum is number of members who are present for the meeting, that is to be counted. Then to read the notice for conveying the meeting. Then to here they have to read the director reports, if it is not read before, auditor reports. Then assist the chairman for providing the information, to help the chairman in the counting of the votes, and to take down the notes of various points in the meeting and the resolution to be passed thereafter. Then here secretarial work after meeting. Here he has to brief and release the chairman's speech here, and he has to prepare a minutes of the meeting, that is here what is discussed in the meeting has to be written. Then e-filing has to be done according to MCA 21 and 22, that is before 30 days of the meeting. Then to dispatch the dividend warrant, that is to declare the dividend warrant within the 42 days of the meeting. Then the information is sent to the auditor here, that is within 7 days of the meeting the auditor will get the information, the auditor should get the information. Then the e-filing and of the annual returns with the registrar should be done before 30 days of the meeting conclusion. So these were the secretarial works during before and after the annual general meeting. Now coming to the secretarial duties relating to EGM, that is extraordinary general meeting. So what is that duty here? The duty here before is to convey the meeting, that is to call upon the meeting, notices to be sent, same in the case of AGM. Then to submit the requisition to the board, and to prepare the draft of the proposed resolution, that is of whatever is discussed in the previous meeting. Then to arrange for the notice, to draft the notice in writing or in electronical form, to arrange for the printing or e-mode, and to prepare an agenda, that is what is the point to be discussed in the meeting. And to scrutiny the proxy, again that is absence of the members are to be scrutinized. And to keep ready important agreements, so whatever agreement are to be signed, as the EGM is for the quick meeting, so whatever necessary important documents are required are to be kept ready. Then during the meeting, the secretary has to arrange for the collection of the admission card, that is to see the attendance, so that any unauthorized person couldn't enter the meeting. And to record the here attendance through the e-mode, that is electronic mode. Then assisting the chairman in that is quorum present, that is how many members are present. Then to read the notice of the meeting, that is for what purpose the meeting is being called, and to take the and help the chairman in the meeting. Then to take a proceedings, so whatever decisions are to be taken here are written down. Then after the meeting, to prepare the minutes again, to file the physical and as well as the e-forms, to whatever the decisions are taken that have to be filed through the electronic mode or physically, and to take the necessary steps for carrying out the instruction and resolution passed in the meeting. So whatever decisions or discussions that has been taken in the meeting are to be taken out, that is steps are to be taken out practically, that should be implied. Then secretarial duties relating to the board meeting. So the last meeting here is board meeting. So in the board meeting, before the meeting, the necessary arrangement of the documents are to be done here. Then next, to fix the date, time and place of the meeting. So these are the things which are to be done prior to the prior to the meeting. So here arrangement in the company secretary will make the necessary arrangement in order that to avoid the failure of any video or audio visual connections. That is, as we know that board meeting is even taken like virtually, that is online, so he must make the arrangement for all those things. Then to fix the date, time and place in consultancy with the chairman, and here he has to prepare again the agenda of the meeting, and he has to send the notice and issue the invitation to the certain persons such as a accountant, branch manager, advocates, etc. Then to intimate even the stock exchange authorities, then to keep ready with the periodicals of the financial statements, and to keep the necessary documents, checks, contracts and pending files, and some other certificates relating to the company, and to keep ready the banker's passbook, certificate of cash, minutes book, board meeting copies, then copies of memorandum and articles of association and other related documents which are necessary for the meeting. Then next, during the meeting, so here during the meeting he has to obtain the signature of those who are present and help in ascertaining the quorum. Again he has to help in counting the number of members present. Then to read the notice of the meetings and to take the proceedings of the meeting, that is whatever discussion are to be done according to the agenda, that is to be read, and after the meeting the proceedings are to be written down. Then after the meeting here, to video record of the proceeding and record and prepare the minutes of meeting. So here record is done electronically, so that is the record of that is kept. And to carry out the order and instruction of the board, so whatever the instruction the board has given here to do in the meeting, that is the secretary will see that that is to be done properly. And here the note is made for discussion and the consideration, and the minute is circulated, that is notice is circulated, that is whatever discussed in the meeting, and that is through directors in the video or in the form of writing. Then to store for the safekeeping and marking the video, tape recording or other electronic recording mechanism, that is meeting if it is done through online or the virtual basis, and the proper record of those video are to be recorded, are to be kept, so that it will be useful for the further references. So these were the duties of secretaries during the meeting, before and after the meeting of AGM, EGM and the board meeting. So here we end with our fourth unit, that is here company meetings. So I hope you are clear with this topic.